You know, 47% paid click growth. That's extraordinary for a company this gigantic and a company that feels like it's been omnipresent in our lives for years now, that's going up against Facebook and Amazon. I mean, nearly 50% growth rate for like the core thing. It's pretty extraordinary.
It is. It's just extraordinary. It's a global phenomena. And again, this is, the search part of our daily usage of the internet remains extraordinarily robust, even though we are spending so much more time on Amazon and Facebook and so on and so forth. But the core search function, even our daily mobile lives, is seeing 40-50% increase in clicks. The flip side, however, is that the pricing on a per-click basis is down double digits. So, but net, when you put it all together, it turns out 20% top-line growth for Alphabet, which is just extraordinary.
And what about the traffic acquisition costs? I don't see those coming across yet, but in the past they've put up very good sales and earnings numbers, but then that number comes in very high and the stock gets dinged because of it, because investors are worried that they're spending so much for that traffic. What do you make of that before we actually see the number?
Right, a lot of traffic acquisition costs, which are the costs that Google pays to other websites to bring traffic to Google, have been rising, but that's a high-class problem.
Yeah, $5.5 billion, it looks like, if I'm reading this correctly, for the 3 months ended September 30th. It's about 23% of Google advertising revenues. It's a high-class problem, but it's something that, as Abigail alluded to, is sort of concerning to investors as well, because it's only going to increase, isn't it?
It is, and so the the real question is, what is the pricing that Amazon gets on its core underlying ads? And we're starting to see, as we're starting to see some pricing improvements coming across a lot of their products, and so the net result, when you put in the increase in clicks, the decline in cost per click, and the higher TAC, still net a very strong net sales top line, combined with a new CFO, Ruth Porat, over the last couple of years, putting in a more disciplined cost structure, is yielding a better profit story at Alphabet.